And we're back, folks. We got a 2014 Buick Verano Premium 2. This is the top of the line in the Verano, and it's got every button in it. It is a one-owner car with 29 dealer service records, and the vehicle looks as if it's never been driven. So it's 2.5 liter 4-cylinder front wheel drive motor. You got the factory alloys, leather interior, navigation, backup camera, Bose sound system, blind spot monitor, crash alert, sunroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel, leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Again, this car only has one owner, and it's never been in an accident, it's never been painted. Gas mileage is amazing, comfort is beyond, and with all those bells and whistles, you have plenty to do when driving. This car is going to qualify for 3 months, 4,500 miles on the drive line. It compliments the DAS Cleveland. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this vehicle, and these vehicles start around $795 starting down payment. Again, this is a 2014 Verano Premium LT2. This is the best of the best. This one presents itself as a one owner with no accidents, no issues. It is the right one, and it is ready to go. Perfect Carfax, perfect service, DasCleveland.com.